Okay, so this is episode 8, and in this episode, we are going to be talking about different niches with the highest to lowest CPMs. We are still on the journey of maximizing your earnings on YouTube. So, without further ado, let's get straight to this one because it's quite exciting for me to talk about this topic on earning money because some of us are here to build wealth for ourselves since we've been building wealth for other people in our former 9 to 5 jobs. Now we are our own bosses and we need to learn how to maximize our earnings on YouTube. So, the top niche by CPM, this is what we are basically going to be discussing. So, hey, YouTube creators, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I am going to give you the best tips to growing on YouTube and earning more on YouTube as well, or how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. And knowing which niches have the highest CPM can help you grow your channel and your ad revenue. So let's talk about the first one. We already covered what a CPM is, but let's recap. A CPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 ad views, okay, on your videos. So it does vary by niches, okay, because some advertisers are willing to pay more to get in front of certain audiences. A higher CPM means you are making more money per 1,000 views, even if your views are lower than big channels. And I've seen it before where a channel with hundreds of thousands of views and probably a million subscribers, and they come little old me with just 1,800 subscribers and probably averaging around 20,000 views. And surprisingly, my channel, which is the smallest, makes more money than the channel that is far bigger than mine. Why? Because of the topic or the niche that particular channel is about. So now let's do the niche breakdown. Lowest to highest, guys. I'm going to only talk about 10 niches from lowest to highest. Let's start with the lowest, entertainment. Unfortunately, I am so sorry. Entertainment, that includes movies, music videos, or viral content. You see why I always discourage you guys from going viral? Because viral content does not pay. No, it does not pay. The CPM is very, very low there. Imagine your videos hit billions and billions of views. That means you're going to bankrupt YouTube, and the rest of us may not even get paid because of you. Anyways, entertainment channels covering things like music, movies, and celebrity news have some of the lowest CPMs. So if you are into that, just know that you are not going to make much money. CPMs tend to range between $2 and $5, but in most cases, it is $2. It never increases to $5 unless you speak about maybe the real estate of celebrities and their cars, their gadgets. Then yeah, maybe you might get $5 CPM, but in most cases, it ranges around $2, $2.50. And then number 9, vlogs. Yeah, vlogs, which is something YouTube is trying to throw me in that deep end. It wants me to be a vlogger, but reviews. I would do vlogs, yes, but it being my content, no, I don't think so. So vlogging is another popular category, but CPMs are usually between $3 to $8. Personal stories are fun to watch, but brands often see these audiences as broad and harder to target for higher priced ads. That is why I said to you in your vlogs, sometimes just do a segment on budgeting or personal finance, maybe saving money, how you save money, or how you got yourself out of debt, or you are in the process of getting yourself out of debt. Instead of earning $3, you may actually earn from $8 and above CPM. Now let's go to number 8. It is fitness and health niche. Fitness and health channels do better with CPMs between $6 and $12. This is an issue where advertisers want to promote wellness products, which can lead to higher CPM rates. Okay, so now they actually increased it to higher CPM rates. Before it used to be, I think it used to be just, yeah, in between lower and higher. But because people are now starting to take care of themselves, advertisers seemingly are tripping over to promote wellness products on fitness and health videos. And then we go to number seven, which is technology and gadgets. Tech review channels where the CPM start to get really interesting. So companies that produce gadgets and software are willing to pay between $8 to $15 per 1,000 views to advertise their products to the tech savvy audiences. So I think iPhone 16 just released. If you can do an iPhone, this is my tip to you. If you can review iPhone 11, iPhone 14, and iPhone 15 and 16, that is if you still have them, you will basically be well, earning quite significant amount of money if your channel does get a good audience, and make yourself that $15 per 1,000 views. And then number six, which is beauty and fashion. I noticed that it's kind of like difficult to grow a beauty and fashion channel these days. I'm not quite sure what the pandemonium did to people. Maybe people realize that, hey, without makeup, I still look beautiful. Oh, without having to wear fast fashion, it's still okay to be wearing last season shoes and things like that. I don't know. Maybe that's why the CPM now is high. But anyways, beauty and fashion brands love YouTube, and I've also noticed that a lot of beauty and fashion channels, they get a lot of sponsored content. They get like unboxing products and things of that nature, which is great, by the way, and sponsor and paid promotions as well. They are making good money there. So channels in this niche see CPMs between $10 to $18, $18. These brands are willing to pay for exposure because their products can have high profit margins. Yeah, true. Because after the pandemonium, things kind of like changed. Sometimes for the worse, others for the better if you're a YouTuber, I guess. And then we go to number five, gaming. Gaming used to also be one of the lowest CPMs on YouTube because everybody was doing it. It was quite popular. I'm not quite sure what happened now that it is actually number five. It used to be like top 10. Top 10, yeah. In fact, it does number 10, probably, I would say 12 months ago. So it's quite surprising that it's now at number five. Now, gaming is a massive niche on YouTube, true. While some may think the CPM would be lower due to broad appeal, it can actually be quite lucrative, with CPMs ranging from $8 to $20 per 1,000 views. That is shocking to me because it used to sit around $1, $2 back in, like I said, 11 months ago. Now to see it ranging from $8 to $20, if you are good at gaming, I would say jump on it right now. Then let's go to number four, which I think also used to be one of the lowest CPM. Now it is a high CPM, sitting at number four, which is food and cooking. Food and cooking, this niche attracts many lifestyle brands and kitchen appliance companies. So CPMs here can go as high as $15 to $25 per 1,000 views. I mean, in the past, it used to be around $3, guys. It used to be around $3. The highest was $5. Food and cooking, I think, also includes baking as well. So if you know how to cook, get your cooking skills and set up a camera and start teaching people how to create a Greek salad or something like that. I don't know. The CPM is ranging from 15 to $25 per 1,000 views. Now we get to the top three. These are the highest paying CPMs on YouTube. I mean, highest. So let's start with number three, which is personal finance and investing. Now we are getting into this very high CPM range, okay? Personal finance and investing channels have CPMs between $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. Banks, credit card companies, and investment platforms are eager to target this audience. They literally trip over niches like this one. If you are going to talk about credit cards, or you're going to talk about investments, or you're going to talk about insurance, health itself, you are basically doing a lucrative niche on YouTube. They say it's between $20 to $40. I would dispute that. I would start from $25 going all the way up to $100 per 1,000 views. Just depends on, let's say, under personal finance, what you are talking about. If you are talking about savings or budgeting or uh, retirement, I think there you would make a CPM of about $50 to $100. And if you're going to talk about investing, let's say you talk about Forex, because Forex does have the highest CPM. If you talk about Forex, we talking you earning $150 per 1,000 views type of situation. So those are the things to consider if you are interested in earning high CPM. Then number two, business and entrepreneurship. This channel is basically this very channel you're listening to. It's a business and entrepreneurship channel, but I focus a lot on YouTube because YouTube is a business, and of course, in order to run this business called YouTube, you need to learn how to create it, how to grow it, and variety of ways of making money through this type of business called YouTube. And I believe once you have a YouTube channel, you are definitely an entrepreneur, and you need to behave as one or like one. So business and entrepreneurship channels do really well with CPMs in the $25 to $50 range. Companies want to reach business owners and professionals, making this niche highly profitable, which is true. But again, I would push the CPM. Yeah, I think it is fine where it is, $25 to $50 range. But again, it also would depend on the type of topic you are talking about under business and entrepreneurship. For example, how to create a business plan. That would pay you a CPM probably of $50 and above. Versus if you are going to talk about business ideas, all right. Let's say you create a video about business ideas that could possibly pay you about $25 to $50 per 1,000 views. And yeah, once again, companies that deal with these sort of issues, they will trip over to put ads before your audience. Hopefully, again, your audience is engaging, so you do actually get paid these CPMs. And then number one, real estate. If you're a real estate or a realtor, I don't know why you are sitting and not talking about your job and reviewing the houses that you are selling, and all these deals that you are making out there, because this is a highest paying CPM on YouTube. So the niche with the highest CPM, of course, real estate, with CPMs ranging from $30 to $50 or even higher. I have seen a realtor who makes a CPM of around $200 per 1,000 views. I was like, what? This niche is highly targeted by mortgage lenders, realtors, and investment firms. if you are in this niche, you are looking at some of the best ad revenue YouTube has to offer, which is very true, guys. If you are into that, or maybe you are interested in putting your house on the market, or maybe you're even talking about housing in 2024 with all the inflation and recession and economic meltdown that the world is experiencing, and then you just put in a real estate, or you put up the value of your house, just talk about your home and its value and what you are worried about with the things that are developing around your environment or your community that may affect the appreciation of your house. That all those big words in real estate, you can talk about that, including lawyers that deal with the real estate. I think in South Africa they are called conveyancers. I'm not quite sure what they are called elsewhere in the world. So those words, when you throw them around, they increase your CPM as well. And you will also see the ads that, oh wow, I just talked about my house, and now they are playing maybe Property 24 ads on your as an ad on your videos, you know? So hey, let's see what happens. Even this very video itself, I've spoken about money since the start of this video. So of course, I'm under finance with this particular video. I fall under finance. I also fall under most of the other high paying topics in this video. Maybe someday when this channel is monetized and this video is monetized and is getting healthy amount of views, I may actually make some decent amount of money out of it. Just giving you an example on how you can trigger the algorithm to paying you high CPMs. So yeah, and that the rundown of the top niches by CPM, guys. If you are looking to start a channel or pivot your content, this could help you choose a niche with great monetization potential. Remember, it's not just about views, it's about making those views count, guys. That's why it's important that you educate your community about supporting you by watching the videos from the beginning to the end, as well as subscribing and engaging in the comment section, liking the videos, sharing the videos, etc. and so on. If you found this video helpful, do the right thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure to click that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I shall see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.